Hey guys, welcome back to Land App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to create a landing page on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you might be wondering, how do you create landing pages here on Shopify? Well, creating landing pages here is fairly easy, but there are a few things you need to consider. So by default, the feature for creating landing pages here on Shopify is not by default included. So you need to install a very specific app here, which is going to be Pagefly, that you could use to create and design your landing pages. So what we need to do is we need to first install that. Now, at the bottom left here, you want to click on settings and you want to look for the apps and sales channels option. Now click on Shopify App Store. Now in here, you want to search for Pagefly. So once it actually loads up, just go to search here, just type in Pagefly and press enter. Now let's go ahead and look for Pagefly here, click on it, and you want to go and click on install. And in the next tab here, you want to confirm the installation. So let's go ahead and click on install to proceed with the installation. And once it's actually complete, you should be able to start using Pagefly here. So it's going to redirect you to the following options. So enable UI optimization. So you can go and accept all cookies. Click on enable UI optimization. Now from here, you could go ahead and basically, in this case, choose what you want to create first. So for example, I want to create a page here. Now from here, let's go and select the page type. Now, since we want to create a landing page, we need to choose a specific one that actually matches what we're looking for. So for example, you want to create a home page, product page, collection page, or password page, or blog post page. You can go ahead and choose whatever matches what you're looking for. So you can choose wherever you want here, but you could choose the regular page here. So to make it a lot more flexible, so let's go and choose regular page and click on start creating. Now it should redirect you to the new page here. So it's going to say the legacy editor here, or the Gen 2 editor, which is coming soon later on. Let's go and choose the legacy editor. And you can go ahead and start adding whatever elements you want. But in this case, we want to maybe use a specific theme here. So you could go back to pages, click on create from template, and choose regular. Again, let's go ahead and choose our editor. And let's go and choose our template. So there are going to be different templates to choose from, but you want to choose the landing page that you want to get. So there are going to be specific pages that you could use for landing pages. As you can see right now, this one is a landing page, but this is a featured partner. So you can go and click on that specific one and you should be able to see it. But in this case, let's go and choose a different one. So you could also use a keyword here. Just type in landing, and should give you different options. So in this case, let's go ahead and exit this one. So the great thing about Pagefly here is you can further edit this later on, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose, you can edit it. So for example, maybe I want to select or choose this one. Let's go and click on select. And from here, as you can see, you can just basically start editing it. Now, by the way, at the right side is these shortcuts that you could use whenever you're editing something. And also at the very center here, you have your editor here. Now, by the way, if you get this, enable Pagefly in your team, you go and click on enable Pagefly team extension. It's going to be now enabled. So you're now good. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to start editing. So let's go and select one of the options. So for example, we have our here banner here. So this section allows you to change a few things. So let's go and open up the row. We have columns, and inside the columns, we have the firing elements. Now, if you want to change a few things, let's go ahead and click on row here, click on add new item, and you could basically add a new column. But let's go ahead and undo that. So let's go and choose the undo option here. You could go ahead and select other elements. So for example, if you choose this one, you go ahead and basically edit the text for that if you want to. So yeah. Now, if you want to add an element, you want to go to the left side here, click on elements, and you could add other tabs, paragraphs, buttons, lists if you want. Let's go ahead and add it. Like maybe I want to add this one. Let's go and click on it and let's go and choose the design. Let's go and drag it in here to add our button. As you can see right now, we have a button for it. So you go and click on that specific element and change a few things like the button type here, text, display, visibility, and action. Now, each element that you'll be using here has their own properties that you can change. So this, again, depends on the element that you'll be dragging. Now, yeah, So basically, for you to consider this as a landing page, you might want to refer to an actual landing page. So it's the design itself is quite subjective. It depends on your business, what design you might or you want to apply, what aspects you want to make sure that you actually appears on your landing page. But once you're done, you could go and click on save at the top right here, and you could add a page title. So go and click on save. So maybe I want to say this is going to be landing page, and let's make sure we have this properly spelled out, and let's go and click on save. Once you've saved this, it should now be usable. But let's just wait for this. So as you can see, once we save this, you can go and click on publish at the top right here. You can go and specify the title and the page URL. Let's go and click on publish to publish this, and it's going to say it actually, by the way, if you're just using the free version here for Pagefly, it actually gives you one free slot to publish pages here. So if you want to publish more pages, you need to upgrade your plan here for Pagefly. But if you're just creating a landing page, you are good. So you go and click on publish to publish your page. And if you want to view this, by the way, you could go and click on preview to see what your website or your landing page should look like. As you can see right now, it's quite good. It looks good. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.